And also tomorrow, you can get some free guac. Usually it's extra, but Chipotle is going to give us a special treat tomorrow because it's Avocado Day. And to celebrate, we get free guacamole. Now, this is only using the mobile app or online orders, but of course you could pick it up and eat it in the store. So you use the code Avocado when placing that order and you get free guac on your entree, or you can get a free side of guac with chips when you order a bowl, salad, tacos, etc. So again, tomorrow use the code Avocado and you get some free guac. They always ask you, Lena, guac's extra, and I'm always like, I know, I still want it.
Right.
So tomorrow, now it's free.
It's like $5, I'll take it. Now I'm like, ooh, I'll really take it.
Yeah.
Let's take a